Hi, hello everyone. I'm Chetan. I'm a cybersecurity architect and 25 years of industry experience. So today we are going to talk about the AI-driven risk scorecard for the smarter insurance. It is a one size fit for many of the problems. Let's talk about AI-driven risk scorecard. So um, understand the insurance industry challenges are there. So if you see the traditional insurance company still using the static questionnaire and one size fit for all based on the same questionnaire they are giving the insurance policy to the customer or policy holder, okay, and they do not have the proper risk visibility and pricings because of the no risk visibility. That's why the pricing is the issue and risk assessment is very difficult. And majority of the time the problems just happen when the claim is happen. When the claim is happen at the time, some many times the case will go for the dispute, which not good for the customer as well as for the insurer. So this is what the challenge. And this, if you see in one line what why it's happening, the reason is because they do not have the proper profile or dynamic profile of the customer. Now how to we now let's see how AI can help to fix this problem. So we have an approach called we can create the dynamic or AI driven risk scorecard. So how it's going to help once you have the AI driven scorecard. So how you're going to create? You can have a real time data capture from the sources. Okay, continuously updating the risk profile, dynamically updating the risk profile. Okay, providing the more risk scoring based on that you are providing the risk scoring for every customer has a different need. Every customer profile is different profile, so their risk scoring will be different. Based on the risk scoring, you are going to charge the premium to them, as well as you are going to provide the more detail to the customer. Okay, and it will help to the underwrite and processing as well. So let's see how the it will help. So once you have data about the customer, okay, it will help us in better decision making. So this data, how do you collect the data? You can have multiple different tools are there, third party APIs are there. You can collect the data for every your customers dynamically. Okay, and AI will analyze this data and will generate the risk scorecard for your customer. So this scorecard will be different for every customer based on their risk profile, based on the current vulnerability, and based on their infrastructure, and it will based on the scorecard it will trigger many actions. Okay, it will share the detail with underwriter how to provide the quotation, how to charge a premium to this one, pricing alert, and as well as not only this one, it will provide the benefit to the customer also. Like the customer will always come to know about why they are charging the more premium, what is the risk they are identifying in their system or their in their policies, and what's the reason behind that premium, and that premium can be changed further based on that he will take care of the risk. So it will help us the real benefit what we'll see after creating the scorecard. We see the significant improvement in underwriter decision process and more accurate at that, more reactive instead of a reactive approach in handling the claim, reducing the loss and fraud ratios. Okay, more accurate pricing, and because of the customer getting more insight, less claims are happening. So it's a better customer trust and as well as retention is happening. Okay, now i- this how this the new insurance model is helping us. We are collecting dynamically data. So it's helping us to continuously monitoring the risk as well as proactively preventing the claim. Okay, instead of reactive approach, personalized recommendation for each and every customer based on their profile. Okay, and dynamic policy adjustment. This will help to the customer as well as the insurer. This is what the quickly we talked about how the insurance scorecard, AI driven scorecard help to everyone. So AI driven scorecard transform the insurance from reactive to truly smart. That's all for today. Thank you, guys.